John from Fort Myers. Did I do something wrong in filing bankruptcy? This one perplexed me, and let me tell you why. The filing of a bankruptcy is not for the faint-hearted. Personally, I wouldn't try it on my own. There's a lot of intricacies and a lot of mistakes can be made if you're not a seasoned professional preparing these documents. A lot of attorneys make mistakes preparing the paperwork, and you see it all over in the cases that we read on a daily basis. A lot of people are a little less than forthcoming when it comes to information, and as an attorney, I'm going to basically poke and prod to try to get the answers to the questions. And if a person is not 100% honest with me, well then yeah, the petition and the schedules that we prepare on behalf of them and that they sign under penalties of perjury are not always going to be 100% correct. That's a huge problem. That's a huge problem, and we go through great pains with our clients to try to make sure that they're answering the questions as honestly as they possibly can, because again, you're signing under penalty of perjury that this is true and correct. When you get to the meeting of creditors, one of the questions that the trustee is going to ask you is, have you listed all your assets? Yes. Have you listed all your debts? Do you understand that you signed these papers under penalties of perjury? Are they 100% true and correct? And people have to answer the yes. If you say no, they're not, well then you need to explain what happened, what changed, or what was failed to disclose. And again, it happens when I've been at meeting of creditors, clients said, you know, that's not 100% right. One gentleman, we had listed a gun that he owned, but he had told us that the gun was in his house, but it wasn't his. We made that little correction. It wasn't a big deal. The fact of the matter, if it's on the premises, I want to know about it because I've got to explain it. So yeah, but now when I got the question, I started thinking to myself, what happened here in the filing? Did this person go to his meeting of creditors and say, uh-oh, something's wrong? Did the trustee find out information that may not have been disclosed? And then, yeah, there could be potential problems with that if you fail to disclose an asset. Absolutely. Again, you're signing them under penalty of perjury. You get to the meeting of creditors, you're going to swear under oath that the information you give is going to be true and correct to the best of your knowledge. So if you have information that's not listed, it's your duty to review the bankruptcy petition and schedules with your attorney. It's your duty to review them. It's your duty to read them. It's your duty to proofread them again. We ask our clients to review them not only when they get their copies, but to review them again before they go to their meeting of creditors. And if there's anything that's not 100% true and correct, let me know about it at the meeting of creditors so we can talk about it with the trustee. Make the corrections there, come back to the office, fix the paperwork, and then make the appropriate amendments as necessary. So hopefully, John, you didn't do anything too wrong, but then again, it seems kind of peculiar there.